Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In our previous class, we have been discussed about why the T.H. Morgan has selected the Drosophila melanogaster for his experiment. That means what are the reasons for the selection of the Drosophila for his experiment. So that we have been discussed in our previous class, and that's why the Drosophila melanogaster we are calling as the Cinderella of the genetics. So he has selected he selected that Drosophila for his experiment. What are the reasons we have been discussed in our previous class, and even we have been discussed about the linkage also. What is the meaning of a linkage? So once again we'll glance little bit about the linkage. So linkage means the tendency of two or more genes to remain together on the same chromosome without separation during inheritance for many generations is called linkage. So what is the meaning of linkage? Means it is the capacity of the genes. How many genes? Two or more than two. So in the genes, how many genes it may present? Two or more than two genes. It is the capacity of these genes to remain together. What they are doing? They are remaining together on the same chromosome without any separation. The genes, they are not separating. They are sitting on the same chromosome for what means for many generations, not one or two generations. They are sitting on the same chromosomes without any separation. So they are for how many generations? For many generations, and that condition we are calling it as a linkage. So they are due to presence of the same chromosomes. Even the characters will be also exhibit on every generation for the offspring. So linkage helps to exhibit the same characters in every generation. So that is the meaning of linkage. So genes without separation, they will sit on the same chromosome for how many generations? Many generations they will sit. And for that, even what they done means T.H. Morgan has conducted the experiment also to prove the linkage. So due to the linkage, that means a chromosome, that means the genes will sit on the same chromosome for the many generation. To prove this, T.H. Morgan has conducted the experiment. So he has conducted the experiment on monohybrid and dihybrid cross in the Drosophila. In which organism? In Drosophila melanogaster, he conducted the monohybrid and dihybrid cross. So today's class, let us discuss which are the experiment has been conducted by T.H. Morgan on the Drosophila. So T.H. Morgan has conducted the experiment in the Drosophila melanogaster, so which means dihybrid cross. Already Mendel has shown what is the meaning of a dihybrid cross. Crossing the two characters of an organism is nothing but we are calling it as a dihybrid. In the same manner, Morgan also conducted the experiment on dihybrid, and which organism is on the Drosophila. So let us discuss that experiment. He has given two examples. So for example 1, so what he done means he crossed the normal wild brown body red eye male with yellow white eyed mutant female in F1 generation. So all females were wild type, and while as a male expressed mutant trait. So when F1 male and female were crossed, the F2 progeny consisting of 98.7% parental type and remaining 1.3 consisting of recombinant type like yellow body and red eye, as well as brown body and white eye. So this is the first experiment has been conducted by Miss T.H. Morgan. So let us discuss this experiment. So what he done is T.H. Morgan has conducted the experiment on which organism? So you know very well on Drosophila melanogaster. So under this, which is one of the insect, it is one of the insect here. Now in the Drosophila, he took the how many character? 2 character. That means he conducted the dihybrid cross. Dihybrid cross means taking the 2 characters. He took the 2 characters. Which are those 2 characters? Means in Drosophila, one character is body color, another one is the eye color. So one what he means he crossed the 2 parents here. So which are the 2 parents? One is the male parent, one is male, another one is the female. Now male what it means? Male is normal. Male is normal. So he took the 2 parents. Male is normal, while whereas the female is mutant. Female is mutant. Mutant means that in the female body mutation has been appear. So you know very well, mutation when it appears means automatically it will change the genotype and it will change the phenotypic character. The female which is he took here, it is a mutant female. That means due to the mutation in her body, genes are also differ, and even the phenotypic characters also differ. So he crossed the normal male with the mutant female. Now which are the 2 characters he took? Means he took first character wild brown body. He took wild brown body, and another one is a red eye. red eye. So male. So male character, what he took here? Two characters. One is the brown body, another one is the red eye. This is the normal characters of the Drosophila melanogaster. Whereas in the simultaneously, he took the female, as I said here. Female, which character it is having? Yellow white eye. So that means here female yellow body. Due to mutation, instead of brown color body in the female, so yellow body has been appeared due to the mutation. And next another, which is the character means another character is white eye. Another character, which is another character? White eye. So this is another character due to mutation. So in the female, so body color has turned, instead of brown, body color has turned to the yellow color, and your eye color has turned into the white color instead of a red color. So normal brown body and red eye, whereas in mutant female, yellow body and white eye. These two characters he took here. So due to the mutation, the female has changed its character. Phenotype is also changed, genotype is also changed. Now he took this male and female. Then what he done? He done the crossing. What he done means he done the cross here. And finally he produced the F1 generation. You know very well, he produced the F1 generation. In F1 generation, what he got means he got both male and female. In F1 generation, what he got? In F1 generation, he got the both male and female. So what he got? Both male and female. So now what he got? Both male and female, and all females. He got both male and females. Now females got which character? Means female got wild type characters. Female, which character they got here? Wild type characters they got. Wild type is nothing but in the female. So father characters has been appeared. Father is wild. That is not nothing but normal. In female, which characters has been appeared means in female body, brown, in female brown body, red eye character has been appeared. Whereas in case of males, in males they got the mutant. In males they got the mutant. That is nothing but they got the characters of their mother. So that is which characters means yellow body, white eye. They got F1 generation. In F1 generation, so they got the both male and female. So that's why in F1 generation, all females were wild type. In F1 generation, how many females they got here? All the females are in a wild type. It is present. Wild type means brown body and red eye. Brown body and red eye. That is nothing but father character. In female, father character. In male, mother character has been appear. Next, male express the mutant trait. Trait means what? Trait means character. What is the meaning of trait? Trait means character, as I said here. In males express the mutant character has been appear, which is nothing but mother character. Who is mutant? Mother is the mutant. So the yellow body and white eye character has been exhibited. Next, F1 generation he got. So next again T.H. Morgan, what he done? He means he crossed this F1 generation. So he crossed in F1 female and male. He crossed, what he do? F1 male and female. In F1 generation, male and female, which he got here, he crossed with this male and female only. So that is nothing but F1 male and F1 female. In F1 male, which character it is present? F1 male is mutant character it is present. That is nothing but yellow body, white eye. Whereas in a female, which character it is present? It is wild type. It is present. That is brown body, red eye. So like these two characters are present. So what they done here is they crossed to produce the second generation, F2 generation. What he done is he crossed the F1 males with the F1 females. He crossed this one, F1 generation, and he done the crossing here. So finally after the crossing, what he got means he got the F2 generation. That is nothing but F2 progeny. He got the F2 progeny he got. So in F2 progeny, what he got means consisting of 98.7% parental type and remaining 1.3, he got the recombinant type like yellow body and red eye as well as brown body and white eye he got. So finally what the solution he got here means he got that in F2 progeny 98.7%. In F2, what he got means 98.7%. What he got means he got the parental type. What he got? 98% he got the parental type. So parental type, which character he got here? Parental type means that is nothing but yellow body, white eye, and brown body, red eye he got here. Whereas remaining, so how much here? 1.3%. He got the recombinant type. He got recombinant means new type. Due to the recombination, a new character has been appeared. Due to recombination, what happened? New character has been appeared. So parental character, which is the parental character? Parental character is like your yellow body. Parental character is yellow body, white eye. Another one character is, which is another one character? Brown body and red eye. This is the parental character. Parental character is what? Which is the parental character? This is the parental character. Yellow body, white eye. So how much percent? 98% in F2 generation. Which are the children they got here? In all the children, 98.7% the children they got the parental character, whereas remaining 1.3% they got the new character. Which is the new character? Yellow body, red eye. That is nothing but yellow body, red eye, brown body, white eye. Which is the new character? Yellow body, red eye. Few of the children in F2 generation, they got yellow body, red eye, whereas brown body, then white eye. Brown body, white eye. Yellow body, red eye. Yellow body, red eye. Because due to the crossing over, what happened is the character has been changed, and this leads to the new recombination. It has been exhibited new character. So how many here means this is the recombinant type here. So it is the recombinant. This is the recombinant type. So how much recombinant means? 1.3% into 100%. See, in 100%. So 98.7 children they got the parental type here. In F2 generation, how many children they got? Yeah, among that children, so 98.7% children they got their parental character, and remaining 1.3% the children they got this new character has been exhibited. So due to the crossing, and that condition we are going to as a recombinant type. This is the recombinant because the recombination has been taken place. Exchange of characters it has been taken place. Yellow body with red eye, brown body with white eye. So consisting of 98.7% parental type, and remaining 1.3 consisting of recombinant type. Recombinant type means yellow body and red eye. See here, yellow body and red eye, and another one brown body and white eye. So brown body and white eye. This is the recombinant new character has been exhibited. So finally, so Morgan has shown that, so due to the linkage, what happened means a new there is a chance of a recombination has been taken place. A new character has been exhibited and the parent character has been appeared. So due to the linkage, what happened means 98.7% they got the parental type. It has been it has been appeared. So this is one experiment has been conducted by T.H. Morgan, and next he conducted another one experiment on Drosophila melanogaster only by taking the another two characters. So now he took the two characters. Which are the two characters? Color character he took, body color character and eye color character. Two characters he took. Again he conducted the another one experiment on same organism, Drosophila melanogaster. So which means again he took the two characters. Now which are the two characters means one is the eye color. Now which character he took here? He took the two characters. When what he done means one is the eye color, another is the wing size. So these two characters he took. So first of all, when white eye and miniature wing female is crossed with red eye and normal winged male in F1 generation, all females were wild type whereas males were white miniature. So in the same pattern he has conducted here. Again he took the two characters. So in that male is there and female is there. So now what he done means he crossed with the male and female. Who is the male? Male is normal. Male is normal. Male is normal. Female is mutant. Male is normal. So male having the red eye and normal wing. Which is the two character? One is the red eye. Another one is the normal wings. Because as I said, it is one of the insects, it will fly. So it is having the normal wings are present. Two characters. Which are the two characters? Red eye color one character. Another one is the wing size is another character. So male is normal. So he crossed the male and female. He crossed with red eye and normal winged male. He crossed in cross here. Whereas in female, what he done? In female, he took the what he means white eye. Say two character. Which is the two character? White eye is one character. Another one is a miniature wing. So this is the another character, miniature wing, which is the female. So white eye is the mutant here. So here the female, it has undergone the mutation. Female, it has undergone the mutation. Due to mutation, genotype has also changed. Phenotype also has been changed. Due to the changes, they got the new character. Instead of a red eye, the female she got the white eye. Instead of normal wings, the female she got the miniature wings. Miniature means very small wings. So male, it is having the normal wings are present to fly. Whereas the mutant female, which wings are present means miniature wings they got here. That means small wings they got here. So he took the two characters, and finally, as usual, what he done is he done the crossing. So in crossing, what he done? All the females, he got the F1 generation. F1 generation. In F1 generation, all females were wild type. So all females are wild type. Wild type means father character has been appeared because father is normal. So that means in the female body, whose character has been appeared? In female body, father character has been appeared. So in female body, whose character has been appeared? Father character. That means female possesses which character? Red eye and normal wings. Red eye and normal wings. This is the character. Whereas males possess whose character? Male possess what name is mutant character. Male possess mutant character. So who is the mutant? Female is mutant. Due to mutation, they got the new character. One is the white eye. Another one is what name is miniature. Miniature means what? Small wings. Due to the mutation, the wing size has been reduced in the female. So that's why mutant female. So this character has been appeared in female body. Father characters, in male body, mother character has been appeared. As usual, same day he conducted. What he done means he crossed the F1 generation, male and female. In F1 generation, the male and female which he got here, he crossed that male and female to produce the F2 progeny or F2 generation. So F1, what name is? F1 male and F2 female. F1 male and F2 female. Next one, in F1 male, as usual, you know very well, F1 male are the, which are the males? F1 males are mutant, whereas F2 are the wild type. That is nothing but red eye. Sorry, wild type is red eye, normal wings, and this one white type, white-eyed, miniature wings. Like that. So he done the crossing, and finally he got the same as usual we got here. So white eye, parental type, white eye, miniature wings, and a red eye, normal wings. That means here in F2 progeny, or in F2 generation, the offspring they got here, in that offspring, what they got means 62.8% they got the parental type. So in what they got here, 62.8% they got the parental type they got, whereas what name is 37.2% they got the recombinant type. So in F2 generation, same as it is like how in the we took the one of the example just now. So in the same manner we got the proportion here. So parental type also we got here, recombination type also we got here. So in this case here, how much parental type we got here? 62.8% we got the parental type characters it has been exhibited. Which are the parental type character? This is the parental type character: white eye, miniature wings, red eye, normal wings. Now 37.2% we got the recombinant type we got here. That means here like this crossing. So white eye, normal wings. White eye, normal wings. Next red eye, miniature wings. These two characters. This is the recombinant character. Proportion it is varying, but here also what their first experiment, 98.7% we got the parental type only 1.3% we got the recombinant type. In the same manner here also 62.8% we got the parental type. So these are the parental type we got here, whereas 37.2% we got the which type here, recombinant type. New character has been expressed here. It has 37.2% we got the recombinant, that is nothing but new character has been appear. So that's why what happened is they are telling, so in when F1 male and F2 female were crossed, the F2 progeny consisting of 62.8% parental type and remaining 37.2% is recombinant type. If you combine these two, we will get the 100%. So in F2 progeny, in F2 generation, how many children they got? In among that children, 62.8% they are the parental type. That means they got the parent characters, and remaining 37.2% they got the recombinant, that is nothing but new character. Which is the new character? So red eye, miniature wing. So red eye, miniature wing. This is one new character, and another one red eye miniature as well as white eye normal. Another one character what here? White eye normal wing. So this is the new character has been appear. Now T.H. Morgan found that genes for white and yellow. So T.H. Morgan what he found here is genes for white and yellow. Genes for white and yellow were tightly packed here. Now what he find means genes for white and yellow. So genes for what here? White and yellow. Which one? In previous, see here. Genes for white and yellow, which is an genes for white and yellow has been tightly packed here. So that what he is saying is telling genes for white and yellow, were tightly linked and shown only 1.3% recombination. In first example he is taking, he is giving the conclusion. So what he is giving the conclusion is in first first example which we took the yellow body and white eye, brown body and red eye. In that yellow and white color, so what he means yellow and white color, what they shown means yellow and white color but tightly linked and shown only 1.3 recombination. So this yellow and what he means white, they have been tightly, these genes are tightly packed on the chromosomes and without any changes they remains as it is, without any they get interchange languages they sit on the same chromosome. So that's why what we are calling is, we are calling it as a linkage, but tightly linked and shown only 1.3 recombination. Whereas in the same manner in second experiment, white and miniature, second experiment what here? White and miniature, white and which is a miniature, white and miniature. So is the what means it is present in the form of a linkage and it has shown the 37.2% of a recombination it has been shown. So like that finally he given the conclusion from both one first and, so white and yellow is the first example. Just now as I shown you here, this is the first example. So in white and and a low, which they also show the linkage. And in the second example, so white and miniature. So they are, due to that what happened means the characters are in the linkage group, and that is due to this one we got the here 37.2% recombination. In first case we got the how much we got the recombination, we got only 1.3% of a recombination we got in previous example. So like that T.H. Morgan he explained the linkage by conducting an experiment on the dihybrid cross and monohybrid cross. So this is the two examples that it has been given by the whom is it has been given by the T.H. Morgan. So next, so two examples finish. Next let us discuss so what are conclusions where it has been given by the T.H. Morgan. Finally, after completion of the linkage, explaining the linkage and even the conducting the experiment on the linkage on the Drosophila melanogaster, so he given the conclusion. So T.H. Morgan he given the conclusion related to the linkage. What are the conclusion he has been given? Let us discuss that one, and that we'll discuss in our next class.